everyone, Shelly Kelly, Annie Parker Confidential. Happy New Year and welcome to my kitchen in Solana Beach, California. All right, I am so excited because so many of you have gotten on the bandwagon and joined me in Whole Foods plant-based eating for 2021. Subscribe to my channel because you're going to be getting tons of whole food, plant-based recipes and all sorts of fun tips, key strategies for success, frequently asked questions, experts in whole foods plant-based cooking to share with you and all that. So here's the deal. Half of the difficulty of starting a new eating plan is deciding what the heck am I supposed to eat, right? Because you want to do this long term. We want to be healthy for our entire lives, but how do you keep it interesting and what do you eat? So I just wanted to share with you what I eat in a typical day to give you a little inspiration. And then of course you can go to the blog for all of these recipes and more. All right, so generally for breakfast, I have been having blueberry blender pancakes. Here's what I love about them. They're really easy and it's made in a blender. You can make them the night before, the batter the night before, fry them up the morning of, or you can make them the night before and then just reheat them. It's simply a combination of oats, banana, milk, vanilla, apple cider vinegar, and a little salt and baking powder. Mix it up in a blender and fry it up. That keeps me pretty darn satiated for a long time, and my husband loves these. As a matter of fact, he's making them every morning, which means that I just get to come downstairs and heat it up and eat it, which I really love. Okay, so for lunch, generally what I will have is I love my Mediterranean quinoa salad. This is a Mediterranean flavor profile, so if you love that like I do, you'll love this recipe. It's a combination, of course, of quinoa, chickpeas, cucumbers, fresh tomatoes, Kalamata olive, baby spinach, basil, and then a little oil basil mustard vinaigrette. That recipe is on my blog and the link is down below the video. But what I love about this is it's fresh, it's filling, and this one has about 26 grams of protein in it, and it keeps you full. And I just love it. It's one of my favorite recipes ever. For dinner, I've been having maple tahini sweet potato. This is delicious and hearty. Now it is a sweet potato that we've baked. You slit it down the center, and then I just fill it with a mixture of wild rice, mushroom, onion, and a little dried cherries. I fill the center of the potato, and then I just have a little drizzle of this maple tahini sauce that I made and sprinkle a little bit of pumpkin seeds on the top. That is an example of what I've been having on a Whole Foods plant-based diet. All of these recipes are on my blog. And listen, I don't like to spend all day in the kitchen either, and I won't. So everything that you find that I have on the blog, you can make a lot of it in advance and then just throw it together when you're ready to eat it. I personally don't mind having the same dinner or lunch 2, maybe 3 days in a row. So I'll make enough of it to last me for those days, and that's how I've been doing it. All right, so if you want more of these recipes, go to my blog, annieparkerconfidential.com, and be sure to subscribe to my channel below where we'll share all of the good stuff here too. Okay, for wellness, health, fitness, beauty, style, healthy living, and plant-based recipes, visit me on the blog, annieparkerconfidential.com, and I'll see you on the blog.